Are you struggling with a keyboard that feels too small on your iPhone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to make your iPhone keyboard bigger and easier to type on. First, rotate your iPhone. Open any app where the keyboard appears, like Messages or Notes. Now simply rotate your iPhone sideways into landscape mode. Instantly, the keyboard becomes wider and larger. This gives you bigger key spacing, which makes typing easier and helps reduce typing mistakes. This is the fastest way to get a bigger keyboard. The second method is by enabling display zoom. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Now scroll to the bottom and tap Display Zoom. Here, select larger text. Then look at the top right corner and tap Done and choose Use Zoomed. Your iPhone will restart automatically. Once your phone turns back on, everything on your screen will appear slightly bigger, including icons, text, and the keyboard, making it much easier to see and type. And that's it. Those are 2 simple ways to make your iPhone keyboard bigger. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more easy tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.